Good morning friends, welcome back to Parnika tutorials. In this video, I want to discuss about string builder class in Java. So I sincerely request everyone to watch the complete video for better understanding. In one of the previous videos, I have discussed about the string and then string buffer. What is the string is that the string class is useful for you to store a particular string, but however it is immutable. Now meaning of immutable is that once you have assigned a particular string to the string object, then you cannot change the string. If you are changing, then even the memory location also will change. If you have a doubt, let me write a simple program and show it for you. So I will write, okay, let me write string example dot java. Now let me open this one using notepad++. I will write class string example and then public static void main string args. Now let me create an object. Let me write string s is equal to new string and then let me end with semicolon. Now let's take that I'm writing s is equal to Parnika, then I'm printing the value s. So system dot out dot print ln yes, and even I want to print the hash code, then I can use system dot out dot print ln s dot hash code method. Now let me write s is equal to tutorials. Okay, then again let me copy these lines and paste it again. Now let me close the main method and I'm closing the class. Now to compile the program, I will open the command prompt, and you know that all our programs will be there in the desktop Java programs folder. Now let me compile this program javac string example dot java. Now look at here, let me run the program java string example. Now you can see the output as initially we got Parnika, then we got hash code as -79311246, then we got tutorials, then the hash code has changed. So this is the way we can say that string is immutable. When it comes to the string buffer, okay, the string buffer class is mutable. We can modify the a string constant which you are assigned to the object, and string builder class also mutable, meaning is that you can modify the string. However, you can ask me what is the difference between string buffer and string builder. String buffer supports the synchronization, okay, whereas string builder synchronization is not guaranteed. Okay, so that is the difference between string buffer and string builder. If you are using the multi-threading, then better go for string builder. If you are not using any child threads, only if you are using the main thread, then you can go for the string builder class. Okay, now let me discuss how can you create an object for the string builder and what are the methods are there. And remember one important point, what are the methods we have discussed related to the string buffer class. All these methods we can use in the string builder also. Now let me write a program and discuss that concept. Okay, let me keep this one as string builder example dot java. Let me click yes and open with notepad++. Then I will write class string builder example. Then let me write public static void main and I will write string args. Okay, Now let me write this one as string builder sum SB is equal to new string builder. We have totally 4 constructors. One is the empty constructor. You are not providing neither the string nor the initial capacity. Then by default the capacity is 16. Even you can provide a string or you can give a particular capacity. Okay, then I am writing sp dot append. Okay, and if I say welcome to, like this I have written. Now let me write sb dot append, then you will have Parnika tutorials. Now if I write system dot out dot println, and if I write yes b, then whatever the string is there, that will be displayed. Now what is the string will be there? Initially you have welcome to, then you are appending Parnika tutorials. Now if you print the SB, then you will get the output as welcome to Parnika tutorials. If you have a doubt, let me compile the program. Java C string builder example dot Java. Now there are no errors. Let me run the program. Java string builder example. Now you are getting the output as welcome to Parnika tutorials. And I said initial capacity is 16 characters. If you have a doubt, let me use the method called capacity to display the capacity. Okay, so I will write system.out.println and I will use the sp.capacity method. Now let me save the program and let me compile the program, and now let me run the program. As I said earlier, you are getting the capacity as 16. Okay, then we have other methods like insert. What this insert will do is that, let me discuss. Insert will take 2 parameters. One is the index and another one is the string. If I say insert 2 and I am adding, let's take that YouTube, then at second index you will be having YouTube, then the remaining characters will be shifted. If you have a doubt, let me run it. Okay, I will write sb dot insert 2 comma, let me write YouTube. Okay, now let me print the sb. Okay, now you can see the difference. Let me compile the program and now let me run the program. Now you can see we said at the second index you should add YouTube. Okay, at the 0th index you have W, at first index you have E. Then you should write YouTube and the remaining characters like L, COME, space, TO, space will be added. Now if you look at the output, that is the output we got. WE, YouTube, LCOME, space, TO. Okay, so this is the way you can use the insert method. Now we have the another method called delete. Okay, the delete method will take 2 arguments. One is the start index and another one is the end index. If I say delete 2 comma 6, then the character from the characters from the second index to 5th index will be removed. So this start index is included, however the end index is exclusive. If you have to verify, then let me write sp dot delete, let me write 2 comma 6. Okay, from the second index to 5th index. What is the second index? Y, third index O, 4th index U, and 5th index T. That one will be removed. YOUT will be removed. Now if you have a doubt, let me print it after performing the delete operation. Let me write here, after performing delete method. Let me write plus for concatenation. Now let me compile the program and now let me run the program. See, after performing delete method, we got WEUBELOCM. So what I said, YOUT will be removed. From the second index to fifth index, YOUT has been successfully removed. So this is about the delete method. Then we have another method called char@at method. What it will do is that it will take particular character and what is the particular index. Okay, it will take the index. In that index, what character is there, that will be displayed. Let me write system dot out dot println. I'm writing sb dot char@at method and I will provide 2. Okay, then you can see what will be the output. Let me compile the program and now let me run the program. Now you can see after performing delete, we have WEUB like that you have. At second index you have U, because at 0th index you have W, at first index you have E, and at second index you have U. So that is the character you have got it. Then we have delete char@. Okay, we have a method called delete char@at method. Okay, suppose if I provide the index, whatever the character is there at that particular index will be removed. Okay, let me write let me perform sb dot delete char@at method. I will say 2. At second index, whatever the character is there, that will be removed. Okay, now let me copy this one and paste it here. Okay, after performing delete char@at method. Now let me save this program and now let me compile the program and now let me run the program. After performing delete char@at method, you have WBELOCMOTO. Okay, so this is the output you have got. At the second one, at second index you have U, that has been successfully removed. Okay, then we have index of method and then you have the last index of method. Let me first discuss about index of method. What this index of method will do is that it will take a particular string or a single character. The first occurrence of that character will be given for you, means the index of the first occurrence of that character. If you have a doubt, let me write system dot out dot println the first occurrence of W is, let me write plus sb dot index of method and then I will provide the string called W. Now let me end with semicolon. Let me compile the program and now let me run the program. Now you can see the first occurrence of W is at 0 because at 0th index you have W. Okay, similarly if you say O, then O is there at multiple index, but the first occurrence of that O will be given. If you observe, O is here and O is here also. Now if you have a doubt, let me compile the program and let me run the program. The first occurrence of O is at 0. So this index, okay, at 0th index you have W, at first index you have E, at second index you have B, at third index E, at fourth index L, at fifth index C, at sixth index you have O. Now if you are using last index of method, okay, then what it will do? the last occurrence of that one will be given. The last occurrence of O is. Okay, let me compile the program and let me run the program. Now you can see the last occurrence of O is 11. Even O is repeated multiple times, the last occurrence index has been given. Similarly, we have another method called length method. Okay. What this length method will do, it will count the number of characters and display it. Okay, system.out.println, and then I will write the length is, or I can say the number of characters is sp.length method. Okay, then you can see, let me compile the program, let me clear the screen, and let me compile the program as Java C string builder example dot Java. There are no errors. Let me run the program. Java string builder example. Now you can see the length is 13. So you have 13 characters are there in the object called SB. Similarly, you have another method called reverse. Okay, so I will write system.out.println. The reverse of the given string is, I can write the reverse of the string is, and I will write plus sb.reverse. Okay, method. Let me compile the program and show the output for you. Okay, Java C string builder example, Java string builder. The reverse of the string is, you can see E-M-O, like that you got the output. Okay, I hope you have understood all the methods and the difference between the string builder class and string buffer class. If you still have any doubts related to this concept, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts as early as possible. Thank you for watching the complete video. Have a nice day.